Hello everyone, I am Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today I will summarize the fundamental legal rules on adoption and inheritance rights in Thailand in under 3 minutes. Many people misunderstand this issue, particularly the question of whether adoptive parents and adopted children have reciprocal inheritance rights. Thai law provides a clear structure with the primary purpose of protecting minors. The key statutory conditions are as follows. The adoptive parent must be at least 25 years old and at least 15 years older than the adopted child. If the adopted child has biological parents who are legally married, consent from both parents is required, and if the child is over 15 years old, the child must also give consent. Moreover, if the adopted person is a minor, a trial period of cohabitation of not less than 6 months is required, except in cases where the adoptive parent is a blood relative such as an uncle, aunt, or grandparent, in which case the trial period is waived. These elements are essential facts that legal practitioners must verify before submitting the adoption application. Regarding inheritance rights, often the most misunderstood aspect, Thai law applies a one-directional rule. Under sections 1627 and 1629 of the Civil and Commercial Code, an adopted child has the legal right to inherit from the adoptive parent as a statutory heir equivalent to a biological descendant. However, the adoptive parent does not have the right to inherit from the adopted child as a statutory heir. In addition, the adopted child retains full inheritance rights from their biological parents. This framework exists to prevent situations where individuals attempt to adopt a child for the purpose of acquiring the child's assets, ensuring that the law protects the child's interests above all. Lawyers can explain these principles more effectively by using case studies and emphasizing key phrases such as 25 years old, 15-year age gap, 6-month trial period, along with a useful memory device. Inheritance flows down but never up. Anyone planning to proceed with an adoption should carefully review these conditions to avoid future legal complications. Thank you for watching. If this content was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming legal content. For any legal questions, or if you'd like us to cover a specific topic, feel free to leave a comment or contact us anytime.